You having fun, Mas?
Yeah, I love fire. So yeah.
It's mesmerizing, isn't it? Yeah, this is all the wood that Masi chopped down from the mulberry tree. And there's still another pile over there. Gathered some underneath here. And we're just trying to burn some stuff off. This little barbecue area needs another little facelift, doesn't it, before spring?
Every summer.
Every spring we give it a little bit of a liquor coat, clean up. It's wonderful. Can't wait to do our pizzas again. Hey, Mas?
Yep. I'm the pizza man.
He's the pizza man. We have 2 grapevines. They give us fantastic grapes. Just cut them down a little bit. Where are we going, Masi?
We're going to Catania, but we're going via a massive aviary
Yeah.
to see the types of birds that they have.
Okay, that's great. Can we see some sightseeing?
Well, that's why we're going to Catania.
So we came to this place called Motta Sant Anastasia because I was going to say perché because Masi wanted to have a look at some birds, and we saw this castle on top of the hill.
It sounds weird when you say I want to look at some birds. No, I wanted to see some birds in an
You wanted to
aviary.
look at some birds. So we went to see the birds, and we were very impressed because he had a huge selection. And then I saw this castle on top of the hill, and I was like, I want to go there.
By cause, it was just there, wasn't it?
And absolutely beautiful. Apparently in the first week of August they have a huge medieval festival that lasts the whole of the 2 weeks in August, and then the second half of August is the patron saint of Saint
Anastasia.
Anastasia. So if you happen to be around here in August and you want to see some medieval festivals, do come along and have a look at this place. It's breathtaking. The view is
Let's
beautiful.
just turn around while we're speaking just to show the views on the other side as
have a
well.
look.
Oh, those are amazing, those views.
And then of course you've got this side.
Miss Etna,
Miss
just
Etna.
above us. And that's obviously the castle, which I'll show you. Okay.
1074 è normanno ed è un castrum medievale, quindi un luogo fortificato abitato da soldati. Ciò significa che attorno a questa torre centrale, che era il cuore del castello, c'erano le cinte murarie che chiudevano il borgo medievale, ed era esattamente come noi lo vediamo riprodotto nel classico.
Ma è vero che i normanni sempre usano questo stile di...
Certo, poi al discorso ad esempio dei terremoti, non ha mai intaccato la struttura perché siamo su questo collo di vulcano, quindi sotto i nostri piedi c'è la pietra lavica che fortifica, certo. Quindi i terremoti li abbiamo avuti. La Lae potrebbe, alcune case...
Unfortunately, we cannot go up there. Would be nice to see.
But we are high.
We're very high, yeah.
We're very high. Stone. Wow. Wow. So this is what she was talking about, the lava.
Okay, yeah. It's been left
That's
intact.
so-
that's, yeah, they've just left it as it is.
Yeah, so the lava is solidified and...
So it's probably, this is a piece of lava that got shot from all the way from Etna and just landed here. They've left it the way it
she
is.
said underneath there's like...
Okay.
So underneath there are lots of veins that come from,
Sure.
you know, Etna. Incredible. Look at this.
Most amazing views. Wow. That is amazing. Look at that.
Okay, so we find ourselves in the center of Catania, not even knowing that it was Saint Agata, which is like their patron saint. I think it's all over now, but we just show you the amount of people that are around.
That's the actual saint.
Yeah, that's Saint Agata. I don't think I'm ever going to get
dalla guerra, liberaci, dai terremoti, liberaci, dalle tempeste, liberaci, dalla devastazione del vulcano, liberaci, dalla morte violenta, liberaci, dall'inferno, liberaci, dalle tentazioni, liberaci, nella tua morte, per le grazia di Gesù. Vediamo perché stiamo guardando al messaggio di fraternità.
artichoke heaven.
Prima c'era non c'era prima, io dovevo. Io prima di lei. Prima della signora, a moglie, dai.
Down to eat, but I'd like to show you where we've actually sat to eat. It's quite funny. Let's take a look. And in front we've got a little bit of a butcher going on there.
Yeah. And then we've got the fish market behind us.
Fish markets behind me. Look at that.
Interesting.
Very. It's like a bit crazy. Nice little say eatery. Yeah.
Nice little setup.
They call it street food, and the name is
We'll let you know if it really is.
Yeah, so we're gonna just wait on that, and let's go get rolling soon. Here we go. Something to drink. Say hello.
Esatto, però lo lascio coperto o scopriamo? Scopriamo. Vai.
And this is our seafood couscous. Amazing.
Questo lo
Sugo il pane, sì, va benissimo. Ok, grazie signora.
And then we had an artichoke. This is really good. So I'm going to show you how to eat an artichoke.
You should try it, it's good.
So you just eat the white part.
Going further down, it gets a bit sour.
Bitter.
Sour and bitter, yeah.
Yeah. Inside you've got like spiced breadcrumbs and stuff like that. Fantastic.
I'm going to the office. Right, so
Love Catania. Well worth the visit.
yeah, it is very overwhelming. You would need a lot of time to come and see it all.
Couple of days.
There is a lot. There is, the buildings are beautiful. The universities are all over the place.
Yeah. Food is fantastic.
We kind of got into today. It was really busy, so there was a lot of people around.
Yeah.
I suppose there would be more today than there would be in normal days. But yeah, I think we were quite lucky for today.
Wonderful day. Do come and visit.